Hey guys, thank you for joining me on this beautiful Tuesday afternoon. I am going to show you how you can take some really inexpensive hair and make yourself look fabulous. Basically, I got this multi-bundle pack of hair from the hair store for 32 bucks. And it comes with different lengths. It is by Premium 2. It is the Master Mix Blend, quote unquote, human hair fiber blend. However, I'm a mommy. I got bills, and sometimes I can't always afford that $200-300 hair. So I went and got me the Master Mix. It also comes with a closure. As you can see, I've already prepped my closure. I put the LA Girl Pro Concealer on the part. This is one of those like cheapy hair store hand woven closures that I'm using. But I'm about to show you how you can trick it out where you can't even tell that it is one of those cheapy closures. So basically you want to take your Pro Concealer, put it on the back, the part that's not going to show, and then take a makeup brush, turning it around and just taking it and blending it into the part, making the part look more realistic. You also can use your tweezers if you want to go ahead and widen that part just a little bit more. I did it just a little bit, but I think it's fine how it is. So before I sew my bundles on, I take, oh, and you also need a black headband. This was a headband that you use to put around your head. I actually just cut it, and I am going to sew it onto my closure to help make it flat on my head, and that way I can just go ahead and glue the tracks around it with no problems and no issues, and I don't have to worry about the closure moving and being out of place when I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and sew this into here, and I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, so I forget about the side part. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick to the middle part. And I forgot to mention, after you put the closure on, in order to secure it in place, to make sure it won't flip-flop, you want to take the back of the closure and you want to sew it onto your stocking cap or into your dome cap, or if you have braids, sew it onto your braids. That will help secure it better.
Mommy, I want to help. Mommy, I want to help too.
Okay.
I need something so it can get me bigger.
You need something to get you bigger?
I need something to stand on.
So basically right now what I'm doing is just sewing down my closure back here so it won't flip-flop. Because remember, we're gluing our tracks in. So it's really no way for this to stay down unless you throw a couple threads in it in the back just to kind of secure it. And if you want to, you can kind of just go along the back wall of it. This will help, when you're talking and being cute, you don't have to worry about that thing flip-flopping all over the place. You can be cute and secure. Okay. So now that we've secured it, we can go ahead and glue our tracks on. We definitely have to move this out of the way so we don't get any glue. And I'm going to start with my first bundle, which is the 22-inch. It definitely has that real human hair appeal to it. And you actually can put it on low heat. To straighten or curl it, which I won't be doing any of that. I'm going to pretty much leave it how it is. And basically, we're just going to take your tracks and glue them until you're done. So, I'll see you when I'm finished. Alright, so I am done gluing all of my tracks on. I need to get my blow dryer, which I don't even think I have that. So I can glue my tracks. 1 second, let me grab my dryer. I'm back. Alright, so you want to dry your tracks before you get to running your fingers through it and wanting to play with it. I am loving it already, and I haven't even had a chance to like run my fingers through it really. But you want to dry your tracks so you can make sure they are secure in place. So hey guys, we are done. This is the final look and I am very pleased. I did this look with just $30 hair. $30 hair. For $30, you get a closure, 4 bundles, 22, 20, 18, and 16. And I achieved this look for 30 bucks. And I'm loving it. Now understand with this hair, with it being a human hair premium blend, you have to be extra careful. You are already careful when you spend a lot of money on your bundles, but with this, there is no sleeping on the sheets without your bonnet. There is no not wrapping it up. There is no not covering it when it rains. So there are some stipulations with wearing less expensive hair. However, if you're a mom like me, you got bills out the ass. You know, your kids play sports, which I got to get to my son's basketball game in a second. Then you're going to look for ways to save money when it comes to certain things like your hair, your makeup, your nails. So I just wanted to make that video really quick for you guys so you guys can see the transformation with this $30 hair. Yes, $30 hair. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel at BoojiBEE TV. If you're in the Cincinnati area, please feel free to book me. Book me at BoojiBEE.com. That's www.BoojiBEE.com. And yeah, get stung. When you think you're about to take a picture, but it's a photo. Booyah!